Welcome to a very special episode of my nail videos. It's a holiday episode. And here is my DIY Halloween manicure. Look, it's a star cluster and a ghost and a jack-o'-lantern. The moon with the bat silhouettes. This one is actually iridescent. There is also a matte white one that comes with a sticker sheet. And boo, a skull. And look, it is a hand. Maybe his friends, his enemies, I don't know, but either way, he's waving. All right, we've got a mummy and a haunted house with a moon and a spider web and an eye. This is so much fun, and I am having a blast as an adult who loves to celebrate Halloween. And like I've told you all, I'm not the best at this yet. I'm getting better as I go. But I think for a DIY with freehand and stickers, I think it looks pretty good. It is a super fun way to celebrate. So I used Essie's after school boy blazer, and I've been having the same problem I've mentioned with it peeling, the paint peeling. So I used Orly's Bonder, which is a rubberized base coat. I had this peeling problem years ago. I haven't had it in a long time, but the Orly Bonder helped before. So it's an old bottle, so I don't know if I need to replace it or if this one will work well, but we'll see. And then I sealed it with the clear Insta-Dry from Sally Hansen. So I used these really fun sheets from Kiss. It's really cute. And I can't show you all of them because the scariest thing happened. I dropped them under my desk. Yeah, I'm not bending down to get them right now, unfortunately. But I got to use a lot of them, but I mean, look at how cute these witch hats and these little ghost witches are. There's one I really wanted to use that is a skeleton that's a head and a torso, and his hand is waving, but my nails were just a little bit too short for it, unfortunately. And I didn't get to do all the things I wanted to for Halloween. I had all this content planned, and the time just went. I wanted to do more of these manicures, but I couldn't. I am going to do one more. I have something special planned I'll come back for, and I'll show you my costume. So I hope you're all having fun with Halloween. I always love it. So we will see what happens, and have a fun and happy Halloween. All right. Bye, everyone.